guys, this is day 2 in Mexico City right now. Day 2. We are about to head today to Frida Kahlo's house. It's turned into a museum, and then also Diego Rivera Museum, also with all his paintings. And then we are going to, it's called Bosque de Chapultepec. I think, hopefully I'm saying it right. That's how I remember it was. Oh yeah, Chapultepec. And then right there they also have a Museo Nacional de Antropología, so something like that, guys. But yeah, but right now we just got out. It's like 9 in the morning. We are about to go look for something to eat, or we're just gonna get on the metro and just head out straight and then look for something to eat. But I'll probably catch you guys once we're over there, because I don't want to get lost in the metro and I need my phones for directions. So hopefully this is a successful video. But yeah, we got our ticket now, guys. We are just waiting for the metro right now. I was so lost because yesterday his uncle's girlfriend had like a little card type of thing that you add money to. And I guess today they ran out, so they gave us these. They're pretty cool. We couldn't find the spot that we were supposed to transfer. I think it was to a bus, but we don't know the bus system, so we got out of the metro from Chapultepec. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I know I'm saying it wrong, but we got off of there and we're just ordering an Uber now, just straight to Frida Kahlo's house. And then I know with the other destinations that we're going to, they have connecting metro stops, so that's gonna be a little bit more convenient. So yeah, we're right here at the bus. We're actually right here at the gas station, just waiting for our Uber. We just arrived, and the line is long. It goes like all the way up. Yeah, so the wait. Now time to wait. So I guess tickets ran out, and the guy said that we have to come back at like 2 to see if they even allow us to come in or extra people. So we might just move this maybe into another day, but I don't know if maybe it's just because it's the weekend, it's so packed. So we're just gonna probably just find something else to do or on the list.
Churros.
Oh, let me get one. Is it stuffed?
No.
Bomb. We're waiting for the bus right now, but I'm kind of lost. I really don't know. I know we're supposed to be here, but I don't know like what bus we're supposed to catch, because 2 buses already passed by, but they don't stop. I don't know if you're supposed to tell them like to stop, but yeah.
That's pretty
So
chill.
ya nos subimos al autobús. It wasn't hard to find, actually. I feel like I overreacted. I don't know. So ya llegamos to the actual metro. I think metro, they call them the same as the buses, like Metrobus and like a normal metro. Yeah, we're here walking inside, about to go to Chapultepec, Bosque de Chapultepec, and the Museo Nacional de Antropología, I think. Yeah. So we just arrived to Bosque de Chapultepec. Bosque de Chapultepec. Look at this. Think about like a big forest. That's how it gives me vibes of. We're just walking to just look for something to eat at the moment because we are hungry. We haven't ate anything. So out here they have the Chapultepec castle, and then they have, like I said earlier, the Museo Nacional de Antropología. I think that's how you say it. And then obviously the actual forest. So yeah. How do you think so far?
Pretty cool.
So like fresh, huh?
And clean.
Yeah, it's like so naturey right here, and so like feels so clean and fresh. So we're gonna head to rent one of these little boats right now, so we could just go boating and go see what it's about.
It's going on like the
So
16 or 10.
we got our little life jackets right now. Yay! Look at Edward go. Look at this guy right here. Ah! That's gonna be us,
Keep
right?
going. Why you stop?
Why? Because we have to go this way.
But I'm turning and keep going. Why you stop?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. We're going to the stream. No, no. Just let it move by itself.
No way.
Just let it move by itself.
We're moving towards it. Go back the other way.
Can we go backwards? Oh, we could go backwards. Oh, I didn't know that. We could go backwards. All right, now go forward. Oh my gosh. We like hit this tree. Look, somebody's hair. We were about to hit this tree right now, and I'm not about that right now. Oh, this is so fun. Huh.
This is.
Where are we going now?
I don't know.
I thought we were going this way.
Want to go that way?
No, let's go this way.
Stay close to our destination.
I know. So we're just chilling now right here under the shade. This is an awesome experience so far. I was telling him earlier that it feels like we've literally been here half of our vacation already because we've done so much already. There's just so much to do here in La Ciudad de Mexico, so you guys should come. How do you like this so far?
I like it. It's fun.
I'm just chilling under here, bro.
You have any bread on you?
No. Ese patito. ¿Dónde está ese patito? ¿Dónde está ese patito? Quack, quack. Hot dog, diggity dog. Look at this guy. Ay, ese patito. ¿Dónde está Lolita? ¿Dónde está Lola? There's these duckies. Chill, you're cool. ¿Sí nos das uno ¿De qué es ese?
Maíz azul.
Sí, con todo, por favor. ¿Cómo se llaman estos?
¿La ayudas?
Gracias.
Salsa a su gusto. ¿Dos,
Nomás uno. Yeah. So we are about to try this. It looks delicious. It's made with blue corn. And yeah, try it. I've never tried anything like this, so this is gonna be our first time. How is it?
Wow.
It's good.
Good.
So good. Very good, huh?
You don't like the nopal?
So nomás estamos caminando aquí en el bosque de Chapultepec.
¿De qué le vamos a dar unas tapas?
Oh man. Let me try. I'm like, stop. Yeah, one time.
¿Una torteta?
Sí.
¿Qué más?
Es todo. What'd you get, Edward?
Un horchata.
No. He got horchata and I got a piña colada, like agua fresca. It's bomb.
What type of torta did you get?
I got the mixteada, has salchicha, jamón, and cheese. What about you?
I got the.
This is how mine looks like. Museum of Antropología. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. So we just got our ticket right now. We're about to just leave our stuff really quick before we enter because they don't allow some things in here. I'm gonna be seeing las culturas del norte. Look at this, guys. This is awesome. Look at this.
Aquí encontramos una columna que sirve como mano o marcadores.
So we are finished, guys. I didn't record everything because there was just a lot of information, but I really recommend you guys to check this place out when you guys get over, when you guys come over here or visit Mexico City, guys. We are back at the
Oh, that was a
metro.
photo.
No, we're back at the metro right now. Just going home. We're gonna go charge our phones because they're about to die and the battery as well. Oh, our metro's here, but we'll catch you guys probably once we go out again later on today for some dinner and for buying more stuff for the fam. So we just woke up literally like 30 minutes ago, and what is happening over there? But let's go this way. But apparently it rained. We were sleeping, but I think we were sleeping because food coma and our feet. We just been walking all day, and right now we're just headed to like a local bar just to see what it's about. And yeah. Oh, look at Edward's best friend right here. He's been following us right now. Look at him. They don't play with the orange juice in here. Look at this. Size of my head. It tastes like Tampico. Look at the size of this. 2 liters. What does it taste like?
Like lemon and orange juice.
Tastes good, huh? With some mixture. So our little Airbnb had a rooftop, and check this view out, guys. Look at all of this. I'll show you guys probably like in the morning how it looks. But wow.
Is this some water balloons?